Hoş gelipsizler, урматтуу меймандар. Биздин жайытка урматтап сиздерди ушундай өзүбүздүн Кыргызстан наны менен, борсогубуз менен, сары майыбыз менен ушинтип сиздерди тосулалы деп келиним азыр кыдырып боз тийгизип жатат. Биздин кыргыз жакшынакай жайытыбызда
We welcome the guests with the great butter, and I will you take a little bit butter, yeah, just a small piece.
Рахмат.
Ash balls.
So now it will be small performance and didn't alone. She came with younger sister of her husband and.
Is it interesting? Yes, for you. Yes.
Oh, maybe next time.
Very nice.
How is your youngest one? He started just recently? So here at the pasture, we live in summer and the children come in summertime to have some rest. And also another news that we're in South.
Kyrgyzstan is a very special place. It's unique in all the world for its unique culture and the mountains that are beautiful. They rise up to 7,000 meters, and below them is beautiful grasslands. The horses run wild and the sheep. It's a really spectacular place where the people are friendly, and anybody that is interested in seeing Central Asia should come to Kyrgyzstan to see a very safe place and have a comfortable experience.